Hi, welcome to Learn English Easily channel. You are with Ramya Suresh. I am back with new topic, definite article. Let us learn which article comes in a definite article and definition for definite article and what are the uses where we can use definite article in a sentence. Come, let's enter to the topic. Okay, article the comes under definite article. Then what is definite article? Definite article, it used to refer or it used to speak about a particular person or a person which belongs to a particular group. We use definite article before a singular countable, plural countable and uncountable noun. Sometimes we use definite article to speak about the same person for the second time. So for all those things, we use definite article the. For example, the book. The book means nothing but I am speaking about the book which I mentioned first. The books. It is a plural countable noun. The book is a singular countable. The milk. Milk, we can't able to count how many milk particles are in the milk. It is a liquid. We can't able to count. It is uncountable noun. I saw the doctor. So the doctor, I mentioned the doctor whom I already met. Let us learn about the usage of definite article. That means where we have to use the definite article the. The first thing we have to use the definite article before the name of unique things. The sun, the earth, the moon. So we all know that these are the common thing for all men in the world. We can use article the in front of the name of mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps, the Mount Everest. So all those things we can use the article the. And also we can use the article the in front of the name of the rivers, oceans, seas, etc. For example, river, the Kaveri, the Ganga, the Yamuna. For oceans, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. For sea, Arabian Sea, the Mediterranean Sea, the Red Sea. So we can use the article in front of the name of the river, oceans, seas, and also in front of the name of mountain ranges, and also before the name of unique things. We can use the article the before the name of a desert, the Thar Desert, the Sahara Desert. So she went to the Thar Desert. So we have to use the article the in front of the name of deserts. And also we can use the article the in front of the name of group of islands, the Andaman and Nicobar Island. We can also use the article the in front of the name of holy books, the Vedas, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Rig Veda, the Yajur Veda, the Bible, the Quran. So these are the holy books. We can use the article the in front of the name of holy books. And also in order to refer to the direction, we can use the article the. The sun rises in the east, the sun sets in the west. She is coming from the north. So in front of the name of the direction, we can use the article, that means definite article, the. So I have given the picture of direction. We can use the article the with the adjectives which refers to the whole class of people. The French, for example, the French enjoy cheese. So the French is represent the people who belong to the French country. So the elder requires special attention. The elderly means it represents the elder people or all elder people in the world require special attention. So it represents the whole class of the people. The word elder, it represents the whole class of people. She has given a lot of money to the poor. The poor represent the whole group of the poor people. So the word, the poor, the elderly, the French, it represents to the whole group of people or thing. So these are the adjectives. We can use article the in front of the adjectives which represent the whole class. We can use the article the with the country's name which has the word republic, kingdom and states. The United States, the Republic of Ireland. So we can use the article the. And also we can use the article the with the name of newspapers and magazines. So newspapers, the Indian Express, the Hindu, the Times of India, the Femina magazines. It may be a weekly magazine or monthly magazine. We can use the article the. And also we can use the article the in front of the name of famous buildings, works of art, museums and monuments. That means the statues. I would like to visit the Eiffel Tower, the Mona Lisa. It is an art. So in front of these things, the LIC building, we can use the article the. We can use the article the, that means a different article in front of the superlative degree. That means the word which ends with est. Tallest, shortest, youngest, earliest, best. So the tallest, the oldest, the eldest, the best. So the adjective which ends with est, that means superlative degree. So we use a definite article the in front of superlative degrees. That means the word which ends with est form. So here I have given examples. He is the tallest boy in the class. The tallest. It is the oldest building in the town. She is the best student in the school. The best. So look at the word, they all ends with est, and the word which ends with est, it started to begin with the definite article the. Next, we can use, while I am saying about the definition, we said that we can use the article the in order to mention a thing which we had used before. So let us see the example. I bought a hen. So I bought a hen. So a hen is a singular, so I use article a. Then I am speaking about the same hen which I bought. So when I speak about the same hen which I bought, I have to use the article, the definite article the. So because the hen represents that I am speaking about the hen which I bought. The hen laid golden egg. That means it represents the hen which I bought. It laid a golden egg. And also we can use the article the while we are speaking about the musical instrument. We can use the article the in front of the name of musical instruments. So the piano, the guitar, the violin, the tabla. So for example, Joy plays the piano. She is learning the guitar. So in front of the name of musical instrument, we can use the article the. And we can use the article the in order to represent the name of the families. The Smith family, the Shakespearean family, Mandela's family, Bush families. So it represent family. So but we can't use article while we are speaking about the individual. We can't use it as the Charlie, the Jack. So but when it refers to the name of a family, we can use the article the. For example, we are having dinner with the Smiths tonight. That means we are going to have dinner with the family members of Smith. The Browns are going to play with us. That means the member which belongs to Brown's family are going to play with us. For example, we can say as Charlie's family. That means the family members belongs to Charlie. Sherlin's family. It belongs to the family members belongs to Sherlin family. So it represents, we can use the article the while we are speaking about the name of families. So we always used to give the name of families by the name of the head of the family. We can use the article the before ordinals and cardinals. So ordinals is nothing but the last. Cardinal the number, the first, second, third. So we can use article the in front of the ordinals and cardinal which represent the position. She read the last chapter of her new book. This is the third time I have called you today. She won the second place in the match. So we can use the article the in front of the cardinals and ordinal which represent the number. So today we have learned about definite article. So the article the comes in a definite article. It is nothing but it used to point out a particular thing, and also we can use definite article to speak about the person which we have spoke about them already. And also we learn about the usage of definite article where we have to use the article the. Let us recall. We can use the article the before the name of unique things, the name of sea, ocean, river, mountains, and name of the holy books, directions and name of the magazines and newspapers, and also before the name of the musical instrument, before the adjective which represents the whole class, and also we can use the article the in order to represent the family's name, and also we can use the article the in front of the name of a group of countries which begins with a republic or a states, anything else, the kingdom. So let us see the exercise where to use the definite article. I went to the market. Where I went to the market. I'm speaking about the particular place, market. So we have to use the article the. He got the first rank. So we learned that we have to use the article before ordinals or cardinals. The first. The tiger is a wild animal. The tiger, it is an animal which represents the whole class of tiger family. So we have to use the article the. It is a school for the blind. So there are a lot of schools around the world, but I am speaking about a special school which is only for the blind children. Next, second one, the earth moves round the moon. So the earth is a unique thing, the moon is a unique thing. So we have to use the article the in front of the unique things. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share to your friend. Thank you again. I'll be back with new topic. Bye.